And welcome back to Introduction to Physics. My name is Paul Eric and I teach physics, astronomy, and geology at Ozarks Technical Community College in Springfield, Missouri. And this is a video version of the lectures I give to my Introduction to Physics students. So we're ready to begin a new unit. So in our previous unit we talked about electricity, and now we're going to be talking about vibrations, sound, and light. So this is going to be lessons 14 through 19. And so we're going to begin with lesson number 14, which is on vibrations and waves. And this unit is all about things that are going to be waving or vibrating in space and in time. And so we're going to begin by talking about things that vibrate in time. So your lesson objectives are: 1. State some things that oscillate. Number 2. Define what the frequency of an oscillator is and be able to calculate it. Define what the period of an oscillator is and, given its frequency, calculate its period, or vice versa. Define what the amplitude of an oscillator is. Number 3. Calculate the spring constant of a spring. Number 4. Calculate the frequency of a pendulum or a spring. Number 5, explain what the energy of a spring depends on. Number 6, explain what causes damped harmonic motion and what it does to the amplitude of an oscillating object. And then number 7, explain what causes resonance and what it does to the amplitude of an oscillating object. So, your references are going to be out of your textbook, Conceptual Physics by Paul Hewitt. Be reading chapter 19, section 1 and 2, and then from chapter 20, read sections 5 and 6. There is a crash course physics video available, and so that would be episode number 16, and then there is a Physics Fundamentals episode. And so this one is episode 1101 that covers this material. And then there are also going to be some PhET simulations that you might find useful. We're going to look at the one for the pendulum, and then masses and springs, and then there is another one called resonance. All right, let's take a break, and when we come back, we're going to talk about different types of things that oscillate.